On the HK7215, there is a window for your journal. It's just an easy access to see what's going on in your history. It's a little bit more visible. If you are going to open it, close it back. Very simple. What can happen is, because you're dealing with money, you're dealing with coins and small objects around your counter, those objects can land in here if this is left open. Once you have a buildup of dust, dirt, coins, it can damage your printer head, it can damage your printer spool. So, to be safe, keep it closed. Another thing you should not be doing on your cash registers is slamming your cash drawer. On the HK, on the SAM4s, and several other cash registers, the cash drawer is built very strong. It does not mean we should beat it up. Even when you open your cash drawer, you should still catch it. Make these good habits as you're working. When you're done with your transaction, you're ready to close it, just gently push it back in.